Hello children. Today in this video we will learn how to find profit percent and loss percent. The profit or loss is expressed as a percentage. So you know what is percentage? We already learnt in the previous chapter. Percent means per 100. So profit and loss percentage is expressed as a percentage. So it is called as profit percent or loss percent. The profit or loss as a percentage is always calculated on the cost price of the article purchased. So the profit percent or loss percent is calculated on the CP. CP is nothing but cost price. Now let us see the formula for profit percent. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. Children, you have to remember these two formulas. Now let us solve few sums. Now let us learn how to find profit percent. Example 1. Find the profit percent. Here in this sum, the CP value is given as rupees 2500. SP is given as rupees 2900. So we already know the formula for profit, right? We learnt in the previous video. So the formula for profit is profit is equal to SP minus CP. What is SP here? Rupees 2900 minus what is SP here? Rupees 2500. After subtracting, we get rupees 400. So, therefore, profit is equal to rupees 400. In order to find the profit percent, first we need to find profit. Yeah, now we got it profit. Now let us write the formula for profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. Yeah, just now we learned. Yes. What is profit here? 400. What is CP? It is 2500 into 100. Children, we already learned the cancellation. Yeah. So two zeros get cancelled. Yes. And 25 ones are 25 16s are. So the profit percentage is equal to 16%. Therefore, profit percent is equal to 16%. This is how we will find profit percent. Now, let us understand how to find loss percent. Let us take one more example. It is example 2. Find the loss percentage. Here in this sum, the CP is 3400. SP is equal to rupees 3060. So here if you notice the CP is more. So obviously we get loss. So first we will find loss. We know the loss formula as loss is equal to CP minus SP. What is CP here? Rupees 3400 minus rupees 3060. After subtracting, you get rupees 340. So therefore, loss is equal to rupees 340. Now we'll find loss percent. What is the formula for loss percent? Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Loss is 340. CP is 3400 into 100. Let us cancel. Two zeros in numerator and denominator get cancelled, and 34 ones are and 34 tens are. So here the loss percentage is 10%. So you can write as therefore loss percentage is equal to 10%. This is how we will find profit percent and loss percent. Hope you all understood, children, how to find profit percent and loss percent. Thank you.